Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the Illustrator file so After Effects reads it predictably. Open layers, name them clearly, and separate elements you'll animate into top-level layers. This prevents surprises later. Make strokes editable and expand complex appearances, and decide whether text will stay live or become outlines. Once done, save with PDF compatibility enabled and keep linked assets in a single folder. These steps reduce import errors and make layer correspondence straightforward when you bring the file into After Effects. Now you import and convert vectors so After Effects can animate them smoothly. Choose Import File, pick Composition, and retain layer sizes. This keeps artwork positioned as an Illustrator. For precise path animation, convert Illustrator layers to native shape layers by choosing Create Shapes from Vector Layer. This unlocks strokes, fills, and trim paths. Make pre-comps for grouped elements you'll animate together, and enable continuously rasterize or collapse transformations where needed so scaling stays crisp without pixelation. Finish by animating and exporting while watching for common issues. Use position, scale, rotation, and anchor adjustments for motion, add trim paths for stroke animation, and rig multiple parts with null objects so timing stays consistent. When ready, render through Media Encoder and the codec you need. Choose Lossless for further compositing. If something shifts or rasterizes, check that Continuously Rasterize is set, that artboard origins match, and that PDF compatibility was included on save. This usually resolves misalignment or missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.